Hi guys. So as you all know, we've been having some snowstorm in Michigan and some of these neighboring states. It's been so cold. This is my first time of coming outside for the past 3 days, I guess. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Blessing Anyam, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh my god, this is my first time witnessing a snow blizzard, a snowstorm. Excuse me, I'm having a little bit of sore throat and some cough. It's been kind of hectic for us, staying in the stormy weather, literally. So I just want to make my first snowman. I don't know how it's going to go. Guys, look at my backyard. This is the back of our house. Can you see the snow everywhere? The snow is huge. Let me see how deep the snow is. Whoa, it's deep. So let me just see how I can make my first snowman ever.